Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsome with RealLifeTrading.com, and today is most certainly Wednesday. I have some stocks I want to review for you per request in the comment section below. Keep in mind the U.S. stock market is indeed closed on Friday because of, well, America's birthday, July 4th. What's up? Anyway, market's closed on Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll be down in Georgia spending time with some family members and just trying to be amazing and enrich lives like you. All right, hopping into the charts, Tesla, absolutely maniacally strong bullish trend and just an incredible, amazing piece of Dow theory and stock chart life. Breakout, all-time high, retest, old resistance, new support, retest, old resistance, new support, goodbye. Nice trend. Congratulations, Felicia Jones, for just absolutely, almost getting arrested for first-degree murder on Tesla. I think she made 20 R's the last 3 days just on Tesla. One of the greatest traders I've ever seen in my life, Miss Felicia Jones over there in South Carolina. Keep it up. Well done. Amazing work. Also, I'm going to have to let you all know we closed a lot of our swing trades today. So let's just kind of go look through all of these, but that's today's results, July 1st. Now, granted, we've been in some of these trades for about a week or so, but they're starting to pay off now. INSG and Seago, beautiful bounce. We played it long off of this hammer candle from June 23rd. So we exited this one today for 0.67 R of win. Maxar Technology, ticker symbol MAXR, exited this one today. Maybe one day I'll get a chance to type correctly. So Maxar, we played it bullish once you had this little gap and go on June 22nd. We had the good breakout on June 23rd, so we did a limit buy and we got filled on June 24th. So we exited that one today because we were profitable on Maxar. Next one on the list we exited was Dropbox. Now this one was a very small win, and I really do like the hammer, but we got filled on this limit buy. And some traders are still in Dropbox, but I trade Dropbox historically pretty horrifically. Figured we would exit and just take the small win there on Dropbox. That was only 0.17 Rs. And then Data, DADA, was brilliant. So we had a limit buy on this one at 21.39. We set that trade up on June 25th, and we got filled on June 29th and exited today for a small win. Again, even though we didn't hit our target, we were up on many swing trades, and we figured, hey, why not take those gains? Speaking of gains, literally talked about this one on, that's right, Monday in the last stock review. And yeah, congratulations if anyone played that breakout on GAN. You would have gotten also filled yesterday if you wanted to, but really good trade. GAN exiting that one for a nice, cute, solid win of 0.79 Rs. Axion Enterprises, AAXN, played the hammer on that one, got out today for, again, a small win. If you're wondering why I'm exiting all of these, holiday weekend coming up, want to reduce any kind of stress levels, lock in profit, and you can guarantee from here that Real Life Trading will end profitable for the month of July. Once I go up, and I go up early in the month, I'm staying up, no question about it. You can rest assured, put your bets on the fact that we will be ending profitable for the month of July from here. Heck, I could just stop trading for all of July and be totally good. So Axion, really nice move there. We do have Zoom Info still open, ticker symbol ZI. So Zoom Info, got two really nice hammer candles there. We'll see if that actually triggers at some point. Next on the list is DT, Dynatrice. This one, shout outs to Cindy Kraus, who helped me find this trade. Perfect hammer, perfect inside candle, had to set that trade up. Small little gain, but a gain nonetheless on DT for 0.46 Rs. FTCH, same exact thing. Perfect hammer, inside candle, played the breakout on this one small. And again, the reason we're exiting, we're up on tons and tons of swing trades. Why not book those profits, stack that wood, and make magic happen? Last but not least of the trade that we exited today was Workday, WDAY, and locking in some gains from that. So that's just some directional swing trades, but shout outs to Pablo for playing Facebook long. We were fading this one on Monday in the morning day trading room, and a lot of traders bought calls, bought shares, sold puts, just played Facebook bullish because this is a basket worth of eggs that will not be breaking anytime soon. So Facebook, congratulations Pablo and a few of the traders for doing really well on Facebook. AYX going absolutely banana sandwich. So AYX making new all-time highs. This one of the big winners over here at Real Life Trading. A lot of traders are in AYX. So excited to see that bad boy slowly continue higher. Cloudera is down today for sure, taking its time. This covered call at 15 will most likely expire worthless, but I really do like the double bottom on a monthly chart. Just gonna have to give it time apparently for it to retest this neckline all the way back down to 1160, maybe pop around here for 2 or 3 months and then maybe continue higher. But I definitely am in some shares of Cloudera, and these covered calls will be expiring worthless. I'll be buying some of them back if needed, but yeah, just hanging out on that one. Net looking amazing. Ticker symbol NET. A lot of traders in on Cloudflare bullish. ST&E looking really nice as well. And let's go look at some stocks that were requested. So we have, let's see, UPRO was requested. What is UPRO? Oh, the Ultra Shares. So the Ultra Shares, SPY, just again, if you want to play a 2x where it's a little bit faster than the overall broader market than SPY, this is really fun for day trading. It can be fun for swing trading for sure. Just be cautious on it because it's extremely fast, and you can see it can have some really volatile swings. So the SPY definitely did not go down 77%, but UPRO did. So this one a lot more volatile than the overall market. But if you're bullish on the overall market, which I am, look to buy some dips when the opportunity arises. Next on the list is American Airlines. And American Airlines, my friends, just going to hang out for a while. It's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be sexy. It's not going to be easy. Airlines in general are going to take a while before they recover. So be patient, be flexible. There's a lot better stocks out there to play than airlines, in my opinion. Just be really calm, really cool, really collected on those. Here's ATI that was requested, and this one looks like the broader market realistically, but you do have a really good support down here at 810. You also have a good resistance from 2009 over here at 15. So really this stock looks kind of like a stone in water. There's better stocks out there, I would assume, but if you're really looking at playing it, I would agree that you're getting some big pressure building from the 100 coming in down here. We'll see if this thing breaks out, and at some point I'm sure you could snag a quick play on ATI bullish if you want to, but again, it's easier to find some stocks that are just in some nice uptrends and play those. APA, Apache, same exact thing, an energy stock that's just gotten absolutely massacred, and if this thing can close above $14.11 in the next few days, that'll be a little bit more bullish than bearish. But again, you know, when you're looking at a chart that looks like this, it's just a lot easier to play a stock that could go higher based on volume or chart patterns, but if it is just slippery slope to zero, those stocks just take a lot more time, in my personal opinion. Grocery Outlook, keeping a really close eye on this one because Grocery Outlook is breaking out. Talk about a nice stock that's working on an uptrend. Beautiful gap, amazing volume right here back on June 24th. Tons of bears getting trapped on this one. Buy some dips on Grocery Outlet. That baby looks strong. Two more. Here's Goodyear Tire. Goodyear Tire, again, a lot of bearish volume on June 26th. Upper shadow candle today. If you're looking at playing Goodyear Tire, wait for a close above 920. Still being held down by some moving averages, but at least it's above the 100 simple on the daily chart. Weekly chart, still trading sideways. And again, kind of an ugly company, an ugly chart. Doesn't really look that sexy, but it is down at some support of which it has bounced before. Therefore, it could easily bounce again. And GoGo, G-O-G-O. GoGo, nice bullish candle yesterday. Good breakout. I did play GoGo for sure back over here and sold it on June 4th or 5th. June 4th, I sold GoGo. I sold everything on June 5th, but sold GoGo on June 4th. Anyway, pressure is building on GoGo though. It's getting back above it. Nice inside candle, nice close yesterday. Nice little resistance, and if it trades sideways for 2 or 3 days and then breaks out maybe Monday, Tuesday of next week, this thing could look really nice. Folks and friends, it's been an amazing season here at Real Life Trading. The free week does start next week. That's right, open house here at Real Life Trading. All you got to do is go to reallifetrading.com and click on free week. If you click on free week, you'll have the opportunity to register to RSVP, and look at this. We got a beginner day trading room and we got a regular day trading room. It's going to be epic. Make sure to be there. You'll also get access to the swing trading room. You're going to get access to tons of recordings. Next week's going to be big. Real life trading is growing. We're enriching lives across the globe, and it's an honor and privilege to be a part of it. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Click that subscribe button. Post your comments below. Post any questions that you have. I'm happy to assist when I come back on Monday for your next stock review. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.